Get ready to dive into a paradise of rare critters and vibrant reefs. We've just returned from a spectacular photo workshop in Dumaguete. Welcome to Blue Water Travel's 50 Amazing Adventures, episode 24. Dumaguete, located on the island of Negros in the Philippines, is a quick and inexpensive 1-hour flight from Manila. Most resorts and dive sites are just a few miles south of the city in an area called Darwin. This area offers excellent muck diving with rare critters like pipefish, mandarin fish, seahorses, mantis shrimp, ribbon eels, hairy spot lobsters, snake eels, wonderpuss octopus, bobtail squid, numerous nudibranchs, blue-ring octopus, harlequin shrimp, flamboyant cuttlefish, and so many more. Nearby Apo Island provides great wide-angle photo opportunities with a plethora of turtles, sea snakes, a school of jacks, clownfish, and so many reef fish. You can also snorkel or dive with whale sharks at nearby Oslab. With a great selection of resorts and the friendly people of the Philippines, Dumaguete is a winning scuba dive destination. Want to join our next photo workshop in Dumaguete? Check out the details in the caption below. And tune in next week for another amazing adventure.